Hi friends, welcome to English grammar classes. I am Jijo Abraham. Today we are going to deal with future perfect tense. Let's see the use, the formation and the format of the sentence, the structure of the sentences in future perfect simple. First of all, future perfect is used to say how long for an action that starts before another continues up to another action in future. For example, I will have completed 4 years in the industry by tomorrow. At 4 o'clock, I'll have been in this office for 24 hours. On Tuesday, I'll have lived here for 1 year. So all these statements state something that will be completed in future by a particular time. So a time as well as the completion of the action by that expected time, these two things are considered important in future perfect. Second one, to talk about an action that will finish before a certain time in future. Based on a time, within the time limit, if a particular action is expected to happen or to be completed, that will be stated in future perfect. For example, by 10 o'clock, I'll have finished my homework. So the expected time is 10 o'clock. Then by the time I'm 60, I'll have retired. So the time is just given over there. So when it is expected to be retired. Next one, the form of the sentence or the structure. We can see subject is added with will or shall plus have is added with both the cases, whether the auxiliary verb is shall or will, or whether it is whether the subject singular or plural, we use have along with that. And past participle or the third form of the verb is also added. And shall is used with subject I and we. Will is used with the rest of the subjects. Now let's see the formation. The affirmative sentence will be formed like that. She will have lived here or in this house for 12 years by the next June. The negative can be she won't or she will not have completed the assignment by tomorrow morning. If question is to be formed, then we have to add will or shall in front of the subject. Shall we have lived in this house for 10 years now? Then, or will she have achieved her target by next month? Otherwise, if you want to make WH question, when will she have achieved her target? So that can be asked in future perfect. The negative interrogative will be formed like that. Will not or won't or shall not or shan't is added in front of the subject. Won't she have completed the task by tomorrow? Suppose if we want to add not separately, then will she have completed the task by tomorrow is the interrogative. Will she not have completed? Will she not have completed the task by tomorrow will be the formation. So this is the end of the class. Thank you for watching this video. And I would like to wish you a magnificent day.